Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use storage sense to clean your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to use storage sense to clean your Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First, click on Install. Type here Settings. Open Settings. Click on System. Scroll down. Click on Storage. Here option. So guys, if you want to use, select on position. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to use storage sense to clean your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video full or not. Thank you for watching.